Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Salesforce Service Cloud Voice for callback. If you have a requirement where you wanted to do a callback flow whenever you are utilizing Salesforce Service Cloud for Voice, then in the contact flows, you have to make use of transfer to queue block, and instead of transfer to queue, you have to configure transfer to callback queue. So this transfer to queue block is very crucial and very important to configure for callback flow. Let's look at the overall flow in my org so that we will have a better understanding. This is my inbound flow. I am making sure that set logging behavior is enabled so that it will start generating logs, and then I can check the logs for any failures and troubleshooting or debugging the issue. Next, I am using a play prompt block where I am using text to speech. Thank you for calling. So once the call is coming, it will come and enable this logging behavior. It will play this prompt. I'm setting the queue as a basic queue using set working queue block. Next, I'm using invoke AWS Lambda function. In the invoke AWS Lambda function, I am calling Salesforce invoke telephony integration API function Lambda. I'm using the method name as create voice call. So it will create a voice call record in Salesforce. Next I'm using a get customer input block. Here I'm using text to speech to say that press 1 for talking to an agent, press 2 for callback. If they press 1, it will play a prompt saying that transferring the call to an agent to assist further. So immediately it will do a transfer to an agent, and then using transfer to queue, I'm using transfer to queue option, so it will directly go to the queue and then it will try to assign it to an agent. Whenever the customer selects 2, so if they press 2, then it will come to this block. I'm using store customer input block. Here I'm saying please enter your phone number for callback. The type will be a country code is +1, and I'm giving 15 seconds. So once the user enters the phone number, then it will go to the set callback number block. Here, in order to set the callback number to which we should get the callback, I'm using set callback number block. Here I'm using the namespace as system and stored customer input. So whatever the customer entered, so if they have entered the 10-digit phone number, then that will be stored as the set callback number here. Next, I'm using transfer to queue, and immediately it will transfer it to the callback queue. So this is very, very important, this set callback number block before we set up this configuration. And then it will play a prompt saying that thank you, we will call you back when the agents are available. So as per this flow, when the incoming call comes, it will play a prompt saying that thank you for calling. It will set the basic queue as the queue. It will invoke Salesforce invoke telephony API function with create voice call as the method, and then it will create a voice call in Salesforce. Next, it will come to this get customer input. Here I am displaying press 1 for talking to an agent and press 2 for callback. If the agent presses 2, then it will get the phone number using store customer input. Next, using set callback number, I'm assigning the user entered phone number in the set callback number. Then in the transfer to queue block, I'm using the callback configuration so that it will be a callback to the end user whoever called and entered their callback number. Next, I'm playing a prompt saying that thank you, we will call you back when the agents are available. So this is how this is just an example for a callback. So based on your business requirement and use cases, you can adjust it. Two important things or three important things: get the phone number, use set callback number block and assign the callback phone number, then make use of transfer to queue block, and there make use of callback in the configuration, so that the call will be put on callback queue, so that whenever the agents are available, it will make a callback, and then the agents will be able to receive the callback, and they will be able to talk to the end users. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.